In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Google business name for faster ranking. When people try to improve their Google business profile rankings, one of the first things they think about is changing the business name to include extra keywords. It might sound like a shortcut, but this is exactly where many businesses get into trouble. The most important rule to follow is simple. Use your exact, real-world business name exactly as your business is known offline. That means the name on your storefront, your legal business documents, and the branding your customers actually recognize should match the name on your Google business profile. If your real business name is just your brand name, then that is what you should use. Do not add extra service keywords, city names, or marketing phrases just to try to rank faster. The reason this matters is because adding keywords that are not part of your true business name goes against Google's policies. Even if it seems like other businesses are doing it, keyword stuffing your business name can put your profile at risk. In some cases, it can lead to edits, suspensions, or a loss of trust in your listing. So if your goal is long-term visibility, accuracy is always the safer and smarter approach. Now, if you are not supposed to force keywords into the business name, how do you improve rankings more quickly? The answer is to build what Google often sees as prominence and relevance in other parts of your profile. Start by making sure your categories are fully completed and as accurate as possible. Your primary category should clearly reflect your main service, and any additional categories should support the real services you offer. This helps Google better understand what your business does and when your profile should appear in search. Next, strengthen your business description by naturally including location-specific keywords. This does not mean stuffing it with repetitive phrases. Instead, write clearly about your services and the areas you serve, so the description reads naturally while still giving Google helpful local context. Another major ranking signal is reviews. Focus on gathering reviews quickly and consistently from real customers. A steady flow of authentic reviews can help improve trust and visibility over time. It also gives potential customers more confidence when they find your profile. So the key takeaway is this. Do not try to optimize your Google business name by bending the rules. Optimize it by keeping it real. Use your exact business name, complete your categories, add clear location-focused language to your description, and actively collect reviews. That approach is safer, more sustainable, and much more likely to help your profile grow without risking penalties.